So can you freeze garlic? Yes, you can. Here's how you do it. Number one, if it's in whole bulbs, you can freeze whole garlic bulbs, but they're best used for cooking rather than fresh eating. Simply place the whole bulbs in a freezer bag, squeeze out as much air as possible, and seal it tightly. Number two, peeled cloves. For easier use, peel the garlic cloves first. Place them in a single layer on a baking sheet and freeze until solid. Then transfer the frozen cloves to a freezer bag or a container. This method prevents the cloves from sticking together. Number three, chopped or minced garlic. Chop or mince the garlic, then portion it into ice cube trays. Fill each section with garlic and cover with a little bit of water or oil. Once frozen solid, pop out the garlic cubes and store them in a freezer bag or a container. Number four, garlic paste. You can also blend garlic with a little bit of oil to make a paste. Spoon the paste into an ice cube trays. Transfer the cube to a freezer bag. And frozen garlic is convenient and can be used directly from the freezer into your recipes. Just remember that the texture might change, so it's best used in cooked dishes.